There are both and non-vegetarian dishes available in hot. I like beer and motocross and maybe 3 people vintage shirt. This city that is very delicious. However, some of the most popular dishes of Bhopal include the curries and kebabs that considered the effect of the Mughal rule. However, vegetarian foods are normally medium spicy and have a distinct taste. Bhopal is also a vital educational, industrial, economic, and political center of the entire state. Besides, it also contains several installations and institutions that are highly and prestigious. The city has also been helpful in many other areas like literature, science, politics, etc. How I like beer and motocross and maybe 3 people vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. At present, the elegance of Bhopal is higher in hot. I like beer and motocross and maybe 3 people vintage shirts. Comparison with many different cities. The 2 other products.